City. Way too far. Hey, look.
Get it.
Wait for it. Wait, they don't even know we're here. Or do they?
I got it out.
For sure I got him. You stealing my kills, bro. Got him. Thank you for calling that right away. You're a gentleman. I'm pretty sure that they're moving up close.
Look, you get Austin right there.
Okay. Just wait for it, dude. Let him get comfortable. Come on, get comfortable. Oh, watch this. Look, he's too comfortable. He gets hit and he runs back without calling. Oh. Kids these days, what are you gonna do, man? Woo! Hey, who'd we piss off?
I don't know, but the party's starting now.
Party's starting. Party's starting. I see him way over there in the woods. I'm gonna take a gamble. There's no way that hits him. If that hits him, I am never getting another gun again, bro.
Look at you. He's not even getting you a stop. He's not that fast,
Ride shield didn't work too well. Thank you for calling that.
You get out of the woods. You get out of the woods.
Right. We got Neo over there in the woods. Hey, thanks for calling your hit, bro.
Where's that coming from?
Over there in the woods, yeah.
Oh, look this way. Oh, shit, reloaded.
Dude, they're right over there. They're right over there. Right on through that window. Yep. That side. Yeah. All right, he moved. I'm watching your right. I think they're mad.
See what's happening? Oh, man, you know I hit your legs.
There you go.
The shield is right there.
Yeah.
You know I hit his legs.
Hey, bro. We'll wait until there's multiple targets. I was going to tell you to nade him. Reloading. It's kind of a windy day, so these BBs are all over the place, man. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
to get that shield, man. I already got it. He's still right there.
It's right here.
Right here in the foot.
Hey, bro.
Send
Send him a friendly greeting, bro. Take that nade off my back. Make sure. What? Pull the pin out before you throw that.
Hello. I know I'm not in here. He ain't even move, man. Just stay right there. Oh, he's out. He's out.
All right, we got him. We got him. Nice work.
Oh, he's out in the water. He's in the water. Shit, that's what we got.
Is he gonna call that or just no? All right. Wanna play games? We'll play games. I like to play games.
That bitch never exploded.
Damn it!
That was a fucking kick. Slapping me, you see it. Hold on. Shit. He's there. Hey, if you're there, you cannot shoot. And I was not even the one shooting.
Little field scrap. We got some orange over there. Call that, buddy. Come on. I'm shooting it right through that window.
The hole going around.
Yeah, they're making their way around. Well, we forced them where they can't move up close, bro. That's orange.
Yeah.
That's orange. That's orange. He's hit.
What's the back from that window? They cannot get the fucking screenshot.
What's your color? Right there, move it across.
Look at that guy, man. I'm hitting his neck and he's like on this. Thank you.
Hey! There, he's right on the other side of the white container. Uh-oh. They don't like us.
Nope. They can't even pass that.
I don't even know where they shoot from, to be honest with you. I think they know we're here. You got it? Where are they? Right there? Okay, bro. Oh my God, every window we go up, we're
I'm scared.
Oh shit. Dude, they're everywhere over here. Are they coming up? Call that, big guy. Hey, I got you. Hey, I got you on film. Not calling that hit. Yeah, you call your hit. I hit you. Call your hit.
Oh shit.
What? That is the worst player I've ever seen. Oh, that's okay. We're all learning here. I don't feel safe. It had to be a ricochet, dude. Okay. Another ricochet. All right. Where are they so mad at us from, bro? Somebody sees me. Where? Are they below us?
They know we're here.
Everybody knows we're here.
They all want to come up here.
Hey, right on the corner of them.